Hey, what's up everybody? Man, today I just got myself a new battery. My battery is very bad, so I got one. But I'm gonna show you what I'm doing today. Make sure to maintain your truck. Got myself a new battery. The greaser out, I'm gonna grease out my joints, and I gotta paint all this. It's kind of rusted already, so it kind of sucks. But paint, you gotta make sure to put grease up here. Put a little grease on that one up there, your ball joints, to make sure everything's running good. And this side, see how it's kind of dry? I need to put some in. So let's just do a little maintenance today.